Hello guys, today we will talk about top business and stock market news of the week. Now, first talk about this week top gainers and losers. Grasim 5.1%, Axis Bank 2.9%, Cipla 2.2%, Sun Pharma 1.9%, ICICI Bank 0.6%. Now, top losers are Maruti Suzuki 10.5%, Reliance 10.1%, Tata Motors 9.2%, Dr. Reddy's Lab 8.6%, HDFC 8.2%. First news, Kishore Biani compares Amazon to Greek Alexander III of Macedonia over Reliance deal. Next news, Singapore Airlines to not partner with Tata Sons in its bid for Air India. Now let's talk about next news. Future Retail approaches NCLT seeking approval for Reliance Industries deal. Next news, Dogecoin cryptocurrency surges 77% after Reddit users attempt to push price to $1. Axis Bank Q3 net profit falls 36%. Net income interest rose 14%. IT minister said we lagged in 2G, 3G, 4G, but in 5G core network should be Indian. Reddit forum behind GameStop 1900% surge gains 10 lakh members overnight. Indigo reports quarterly loss around 627 crore amid COVID-19 pandemic. MPL raises $500,000 from its employees through employee investment plan. Indian smartphone market declines 4% to 15 crore units in 2020. Next news, Toyota beats Volkswagen to become world's top selling auto car maker in 2020. Next news, Power Grid Corporation of India files paper for IPO of rupees 4,995 crore. Aditya Birla Fashion buys 51% stake in designer brand Sabyasachi worth rupees 398 crore. Reliance Industries loses 1.4 lakh crore market cap in 3 days. Next news about Apple. Apple records best quarter in India, doubles smartphone market share. American e-commerce website Etsy share price jumped 11% after Elon Musk praises it. L&T Q3 net profit up 5% to rupees 2467 crore, revenue decline. Overseas investment by Indian firms falls 42% to $1.45 billion. According to CCI survey, abuse of dominance in telecom can lower privacy protection. Tata Motor raises passenger vehicle prices by 26,000, relief for booking before January 21. Gland Pharma Q3 profit after tax up 32.5% at 204 crore. Oberoi Realty Q3 profit doubles to 93.37%. Next news, to curb online fraud, Airtel Payment Bank launches SafePay. Next news, government to raise 8,000 crore by selling stake in TCS. Next, government is considering revamping IT Act to regulate OTT and gaming platforms in India. Next news, Asian Paints register 62% jump in net profit to rupees 1238 crore. Next, Symphony to consider payment of interim dividend on Friday of fiscal year 2020-21. Next news is SEBI approved Reliance Industries and Future Group deal. SEBI imposes a penalty of rupees 25 lakh on two individuals for not complying with rules. Next news, Havells Q3 profit increases 14.6% to rupees 1290 crore. Rekha and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala increased their stake in Indian Hotels to 2.1%. Tata Capital Growth Fund raises 1250 crore. Trident's Q3 net profit surges 200% to rupees 112 crore. HDFC Bank stock climbs 52-week high after robust Q3 earnings. Three UK partners with TCS to accelerate 5G network rollout. Google acting like super regulator Indian fintech firm over loan app case. L&T bagged 5,000 crore order from Rail Vikas Nigam in Uttarakhand. Mindtree Q3 net profit up 66% to 327 crore. Now, next news, French energy firm Total to acquire 20% stake in Adani Green. Next news, Welspun India emerges as one of the top innovators in South Asia. China's economy grew 2.3% in 2020, lowest in 4 decades. BharatPay confirms raising 139 crore from ICICI Bank and Altaria Cap. Fiat Chrysler and PSA merged to create Stellantis, world's fourth largest automaker. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala backed Indian gaming tech Nazara files for IPO. 4 out of top 10 valued companies' market value climbs over 1.5 lakh crore. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala calls former RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan a pessimist. Next news, Indian electronics brand MIVI moves manufacturing from China to India. Next news, WhatsApp treating Indian users differently when it comes to privacy. Next news, Nitin Gadkari approves proposal to levy green tax. Next news, Tata's in talks to launch Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine in India. Now, next news, TCS become world's largest IT company. Electric vehicles to overtake fuel cars in India in terms of sales by 2030, sales Mahindra Deputy MD. 100 richest Indians can pay 94,000 each to poorest. Government planning to ease FDI rules in sectors ranging from construction to animation. IMF says India's only major economy to register double economic growth in 2021. 8 CAs arrested over GST fake invoice fraud worth Rs 820 crore. Online video platform Vimeo raises $300 million. Now, next news, Tata Motors shares have climbed 52% in January so far. Adani Ports and SEZ to raise $500 million through bond sale in international debt market. Marico Limited Q3 profit after tax increases 13%. Bank of Baroda reported net profit of 1159 crore. Jubilant FoodWorks acquired 10.76% stake in Barbecue Nation. Next, Gayatri Products received 1478 crore worth drinking water projects in UP. Bharti Airtel says Airtel is credited for 5G. Successfully conducted 5G trial in Hyderabad. India business still low relative to size of opportunity. Apple CEO. Did not expect Indians to be reading about GameStop on Reddit. Stockle CEO. IRFC shares and 4.4% lower on Bombay Stock Exchange on first day of their trading debut. Maruti Suzuki net profit jumps 24% to rupees 1941 crore. Economic survey projects 11% GDP growth for 2021-22 fiscal year. India took short-term pain for long-term gain amid COVID-19, economic survey said. Elon Musk add hashtag Bitcoin to his Twitter bio. Bitcoin jumped 14% on January. US lobby group urges India to not tighten foreign e-commerce rules, report. Kishore Biani compares Amazon to Greek Alexander over Reliance deal. B2B marketplace for pharmacies Savio raises $4 million from Matrix others. Tata iPhone maker Pegatron get approval for investment in India. Mexico to import over 8 lakh AstraZeneca's COVID vaccine from India. Government list bill to ban all private cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether in India. In commodities, when prices go up, demand goes down. In stock, when prices go up, demand goes up, says Harshad Mehta. In stock market, you are not buying the past, you are buying the future, says Ramdev Agarwal. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala said, you will say you trade and make money, but tell us not to trade. I said डैडी विस्की पीते थे और हमको मना करते थे and that's the reality. Stock is offering free Demat account. Open with our link and get free course on Advanced Excel worth rupees 1000. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment and turn on post notifications. See you tomorrow.